Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you our beautiful crystal bezel pendants that are available for sale at beadaholique.com. So these beautiful crystal bezels have a nice working surface, and I just want to show you my first example up here of just a way that you could utilize these. And this is a really big trend in the wedding arena where you can use it as a bridal brooch. And this is just tied onto my little bouquet here with a beautiful little silk ribbon. So very, very simple, and this one showcases that beautiful antique brass. So we have these in 3 different sizes and 3 different shapes here. So for the ovals, these are the smaller ones, and these fit a cabochon that is an 18 by millimeter by 25 millimeter. So if you're looking to fit a cabochon right into that well, that's your little work surface. It's right in the center there. And then we also have some circles here. And again, you can choose your gold, silver, or brass. And this is a 25 millimeter circle work surface. And then over here, you can see that I've used the big ones to create a beautiful long necklace here with some beautiful little pearls. And this is going to be 30 by 40. Now you can set a cabochon just right into there, just like so, and we recommend E6000 for your glue. But if you wanted to, I just want to pull out this one here and really let you kind of take a look at it, and hopefully from the side you can see that you have a nice little well there. So you could put a photo and use some sealant and then maybe add some resin on top of that. You could also use this with crystal clay, so you can embellish it even further just to make a nice little pendant. So it doesn't have to have a focal. You can do crystal clay and add more crystals in there. But resin is going to be really great for these. So if you're thinking about, keeping, having this be a little keepsake where you put a little photo and then you can seal it and then add a little resin on top. We do have videos showing you exactly how to do that. So if you are curious, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and be sure to head over to Beadaholique.com where you can shop all of these beautiful crystal bezels. Thanks for joining me. Again, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to join our YouTube channel and see all the latest from Beadaholique.com.